guys, I got my stuff packed up. I got my fishing supplies in my bag. Got my bow fishing set up. I'm not sure if I'm going to take those poles there or not, but we're going to go ahead and get everything loaded up. Found a really nice spot. We're going to go check it out. Here's a clip of what I've seen. So we're going to load up on my Ridstar Q20 and we're going to go out on an adventure. It's tricky to get down to. I'll get back to you guys here in a second. Whew, that was a climb. I made it down. But here's what we're looking at. This is usually like 6 foot deep here or more, but they closed it down. All the water goes down, the fish are left in, and they die. So I'm gonna get set up and we're gonna get to it. We got eyes on him. There's another one over there. Yeah.
Here's the smaller one.
Oh, yeah.
That's the bigger one. That's the smaller one.
I'll have to wait on that bigger one. Oh, too high.
That big one's coming right there.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh, I got him, bro. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Got him. Whoa, boys. Here we are. Yes. Woo. Here we are. Yes. Woo. There it is. My first kill with this bow. to it.
Big one right there.
Oh yeah.
He's huge.
Oh, one tall phone. You need me to put a hook on there, Trey? Oh, Trey. Oh, fish on. That's a bass. Woo.
I watched him smack
Oh, yeah, buddy.
I watched him smack that.
Ow, he got me. Oh, I just seen a nice bass over there. Fish on, fish on. Oh no, did you guys see that? Yeah, that was a nice bass.
That's a big guy.
Oh, that's a nice bass. I'm killing it.
That's a decent sized little bass.
Yeah.
That's a little smallmouth.
Behind the scenes footage.
Yeah. Ow, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, I watched him smack that little motherfucker. Damn.
Come on, Bubba.
Good catch.
Look at that.
Catch, thanks. Bye-bye.
See ya. I'm right up there. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one, buddy.
Hell yeah.
Fish on. Oh. Another nice bass. I just got another bass. I just caught another bass and then something else. I did what you did, caught a fish in a branch. Oh. Another fish on. Another little whoa, whoa, whoa. Perfect mouth catch. Fish on. Another bass. I just seen that, bro. Fish on. Oh, yes, buddy. That is a nice bass. That's a freaking beauty. Nice mouth catch. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that, guys. Beauty. Ooh. Fish on! Oh, yes, buddy. That is a nice bass. Nice mouth catch. Look at that. Whoa. Yes, buddy. That is a nice bass. Hell yeah. That's a freaking beauty. Nice mouth catch. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that, guys. Beauty.
Dude, that's beautiful fish.
Ooh. Oh, that's a nice size bluegill. Pretty one. Got spots on his face. Yeah, that's a pretty one. My worm right up there. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one, buddy.
Oh, too short. Shit, I still got another. Oh, damn.
So we got this and a nice big old gar. I'll just go ahead and pull him in and reel it. Oh, he's still alive, kicking.
You just fucking snipe big ass carp.
Oh, he's still alive, kicking.
The size of that fucking thing.
Yeah, see where I got him?
Look at that.
It sniped him. And yeah. Oh, I got him twice. I sniped him twice. That first hit got him. But it didn't. See the top of his head?
Yeah.
That's where it got him first, and that's the second. But it come out.
He's got armor, bro.
Yeah.